Yes guys, welcome back to our vlog channel. Today it's time to put the missing piece of the puzzle in place, namely the front wheels. Alright, I have the boxes here in front of me. The boxes are already open, like I said, because we've already looked inside. So, yeah, I'm going to show you how awesome the wheels turned out. I can't wait to see this on the car. Guys, oh, they're really wide, guys. Really incredibly beautiful. Look at this, wow. Aren't they awesome? So thick, guys, 11.5J no less, wow. They're gunmetal gray. The tires that were originally on the compact, those are the ones around these rims. These tires are 245, 35, and 18. Oh, and I'm curious if we can get those onto the rims we just received. The J, yes, the width of the rims is quite a bit wider on the new ones we just received, so I'm curious to see how far they're going to be stretched. Once we get everything back from Vivelde, of course, we'll mount the rims on the car. We'll see the final result. I'm excited, guys. We're finally wrapping up the drift car project. A drift car is never truly finished, but this is a missing piece. It's gonna be awesome. Unbelievable. We could start a racing team. We've got a drift car here, we've got a drag race car here, and of course we've got the SUV over there. We're working with my twin brother's father-in-law, plus for nice weather we have a Ferrari. As twins we can't complain. Our dreams came true. We now make YouTube videos for you full-time, and cars are a great bonus. I'll put this back in the box, then we'll pack everything into the van. And then we're going to Vivelde to have everything installed, and of course, to get the new tires for the back. On a drift day, the track will be kept wet, but I still expect some wear and tear. So we need a lot of tires. And yeah, Vivelde has collected them for us, so that's super nice. Like I said, let's go to Vivelde. I couldn't resist. I just put the wheels next to the car for a moment, just to get an impression of how it looks. Take a look, guys. Wow. Look how deep those rims are. Man, that's awesome. That looks really awesome. We've arrived at Vivelde in Havweg. I've put on the new wheels, using the old rims where the tires are coming off. Just look at how great they are. Yeah, soon these tires will come off and go there, then we'll have a great set for the front. I hope the tires stretch to fit the new rims, but we'll see soon enough. I'm just waiting for a mechanic to help, then we'll put the tires on those rims. Let's go. They briefly discussed how to mount the tire onto the super deep rim. And I understand that they're probably going to mount it upside down, so the rim goes upside down on the tire machine, and then the tire goes around it. Protective caps on. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited. The tire's already off, and I'm wondering if he'll pump it up or if it'll work. It's just too wild, man. It'll be really stretched, so I'm curious. Definitely put a lot of grease on it. Look at him go, man. Strong tire, man. It's about the camera, I know.
Here we go, attempt 2.
Whoa. Did you see that? He did it in one try. It didn't work from the other side, right? Now it will definitely work. This is a really tight tire, you know? That's why I couldn't get it off the rim myself. Just take a look at what the difference is, okay? Well, we also have Victor, the owner, here with us for a moment. Of course, he wants to take a look too. He can laugh about this kind of stuff. At least we never come in with normal things. I think they'll use a bazooka or something to inflate it, which will be funny. Yeah, that guy was struggling at first to mount the tire the other way around, but that didn't work, so,
Are you going to cut that out?
Yeah, of course. But it's just a nice moment, right? Look, here it comes. Cover your ears. Well, there they are. Wow, those lines are tight, man. Wow.
Yeah, he is pretty sexy.
Yeah, this is pretty sexy. Wow, haha. Of course. Unbelievable. Wow. Check out that rim, man, with the tire. Oh my god, this is just insane. So sexy. These are literally, actually just my dream wheels. Just the way they look right now. This is unbelievable. And that's exactly how I was standing in my workshop too, by the way. That tire is so tight on that rim, I couldn't even get it off with my tire machine, you know? So here he's also just struggling a bit. But looks good, right? Looks good, right?
Yes.
Made in Poland, right? Yeah.
It's good too. Yeah, very nice.
They're really impressed, man. Super nice. Michael to the rescue. Bazooka?
Yeah, haha.
We're always totally hyped when we get to do things like this. It's a bit different from usual, right? Normally a tire with a rim here. Take a look. Awesome, man. Unbelievable. Bada beam, bada boom. That's how it goes. Here he comes. The bazooka is back. Cover your ears. I'm so hyped. Once this is on the car, it'll be unreal. We're going to balance the wheels here in a moment. I was already unpacking the caps, just had to put the stickers in. And then they can be mounted in the rim. And then we have a set that's ready. Of course, you can also balance them at delivery. They have high-tech equipment, so it's very easy here. Bada bim bada boom, 30 grams perfect. Oh, that's the first one done. This is true love for tires. Check it out, man. Wow. Usually people put this on a car's back, but we put it on the windshield instead, making it look super sexy. Unbelievable look, wow. I honestly think these are the most beautiful wheels I've ever had in my life. Thank you, Full Car Tuning, for making this possible. Wow. The second wheel is already on the balancer. That's how fast we work here. This side needs 20 grams less load than the other. Once that's done, our set is complete, balanced and all. Then we can mount them on the car right away. Look at this, guys. Here they are, ready to go. What an incredibly cool set it turned out to be. I'm so happy with it. I also mentioned, of course, the tires I got for drifting. They're ready here. 10 of them, no less. That should get me through a few events. I get to take 10 tires with me for our first event. If we manage to burn through 10 tires at a wet event, guys, then I really don't know anymore. It must have been a great event. If any are left, we'll have tires for the next one. Now, it's really just loading everything into the van and then heading back to the workshop to fit the wheels. I'm so hyped, guys. I can't get over how awesome those wheels turned out. Wow, I've never had such cool wheels before. It's honestly a dream come true. I haven't been this hyped in a long time. To put wheels on a car and say, wow, these wheels turned out so cool. The good thing about this car is it's not lowered much, so you can easily fit a jack under it. Our wheel bolts don't fit. Take a look, our wheel bolts, they won't go in, they don't fit. Does that mean we need threaded inserts, possibly with nuts? I'm not a fan of that. That was really cool. I can't get over how sexy this looks, guys. Look at that, what a beauty. It's not even on the ground yet, which makes sense. Because my wheel bolts, they don't fit. My wheel bolts are just too big for the center of the rims. So I just had a phone call with full cartooning. And you always need to have different wheel bolts if you want to mount these rims. So I'm actually really bummed about that. I wanted to drive outside and film the final result, but that's not possible because it doesn't fit. I'm really bummed about that, so yeah, a small mistake can happen. Unfortunately, in this episode, you won't see the final result of how it stands on its wheels. But you do get a pretty good impression of what this looks like. Really, it's so incredibly cool. That gunmetal gray looks great with the car's red color. If this isn't drift, I don't know what is. Wow, unfortunately it's not gonna work today. We need to find another mounting top or adapter. With that, the vlog is over. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and we'll see each other in a new episode.